loaded up. Finally. Seems like this has taken forever for this day to get here, but we're finally loaded up. We're packed to the brim, and we're about to head to Colorado. So, got all our honeydews done, and gonna go up there and start on the South Platte fly fishing and see how the conditions are and see what happens after that. But our main goal is just to get to the mountains and see what happens after that. Hey Jake. Say hi, Jake.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Jake.
Hi,
Hi,
Jake.
Jake. Hi, Jake. Hi, Jake.
No, you're Jake. No, see, you're Jake. So you're looking at yourself. It's like a mirror.
He's fat.
The camera's
He's
fake.
fat.
Huh?
He's fat.
We'll keep you posted.
Like that. This is chewy. This is chewy.
Under those circumstances. But spring runoff, I'm going to give you a lot of excuses here on why you don't catch fish. Spring runoff should be avoided wherever possible. And I know if you have a fishing trip planned and you just happen to be on a given trout stream and it coincides with spring runoff, you're going to have to do the best you can. But I'm going to give you some good excuses on why it's difficult to catch trout in spring runoff.
Well,
and
crap,
believe
Tom.
me, when you have a spring runoff situation, everything conspires against the fly fisher. Everything. Conditions couldn't be worse. So,
We're at Clayton, New Mexico. I think it's about an 8-hour drive from big town of McAllister, Oklahoma. We're gonna stay the night here and get up and head into the mountains. All right, good morning. All right, see you later, Holiday Motel. It is Saturday morning, June 22nd. Yesterday was 100 degrees. This morning it's 57 degrees. So, like Jake said earlier, God turned on the air conditioner for us, didn't he?
Yeah. That's free.
It's snowing up in the mountains according to the radar, so we'll take it though. 100 degrees, I'm over that. I'll take the snow. So, ate it. What was the name of that restaurant, Jake?
87 restaurants.
87 restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. We had 87 restaurants.
87 of them.
Yep, I'm full this morning.
It was good.
All right, well, heading to the mountains. He's like, yes, yes, feel that cold air. Oh, I've got to go out this other side. He's like, we're almost there. I can see the mountains. We're almost there. They're from Texas? Yeah, he's probably like, man, it's so cool here. It was 105 when I left, now it's 55.
There we go. Welcome to Colorado.
Made it, Colorado Springs. We're at REI. Gonna pick up, Jake left his cot, so I've never been in the REI store, so we're gonna check it out and gonna grab a cot, and I may look around for some gear, and then we're gonna go explore the South Platte. All right, heading west out of Colorado Springs, heading to Deckers. Well, this is where we're staying for the next couple days. We
got lucky.
Campsites are pretty much crazy full, and it's raining, and it's not supposed to stop, and pretty much every cabin's booked up, and we just happened to get lucky and one came available when we were there, and about the only one they had, and so we're like, we'll take it until Monday, until everybody clears out, and then we'll go set up camp. But kind of got lucky, huh, Jake?
Mm-hmm.
But I mean,
you can't get closer to the river.
no, I mean, we may not want to go camping after we stay here for a couple days, but nah, it's supposed to clear up Monday through Friday. It's supposed to be sunny, so we'll scope out some good campsites. But South Platte River, Deckers, Colorado. Oh, Jake caught a bird.
Barehanded. He's all right. He's all right.
Golly, look at that.
It is Sunday morning, June 23rd. We're on the South Platte River in Deckers, Colorado, and it is just a beautiful morning. Flies and lies. About to go out with Kirk, our guide. There's a fly shop. Deckers, Colorado. Liquor store, all the essentials. We got liquor, groceries, fly shop, restaurant, river. That's they've got all the essentials. South Platte River. Thanks, Kirk.
Yeah.
Man, that sucker fought now. Nice. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
All right.
And here's Nick.
Beautiful brown. I think that's the fifth one today. It's fifth or sixth.
Nice fish, pal.
South Platte cut bow. Kirk's putting us on him.
Yep, you'll go. Oh yeah, nice fish, man. Nice.
South Platte. Well, our day is about to come to an end. Jake's trying to catch one more fish. I've caught, I think 6 browns, a couple of them 18 inches. So Jake's caught a couple of cut bows, some rainbows, some browns. So just a great day of fishing. Great weather. Kurt's a phenomenal guide. If you're ever looking for a guide on the South Platte, just call Flies and Lies and ask for Kurt. He's been amazing. It's not, we're here in runoff season and not optimal water, high water, but he's taught us so many cool things that we had no clue about. So it's well worth it to get a guide the first day if you're going to be here multiple days. Get a guide the first day, and like I said, I mean, there's just it's so technical water that it'll be worth it. So.
Well, great guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was fun. That was fun.